Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to create your own detox smoothie. All of these ingredients are fresh ingredients that you can purchase at your local farmer's market or your grocery store. All you need is fresh apples, fresh carrots, fresh beets, ginger, parsley. Also, it has flax seeds that are good for you. You can add hemp oil to it. You can also add other seeds and nuts that helps heal the body. I practice holistic health, and that's the best thing that I had ever done for myself. So I try to share these natural ingredients and foods with you all to help you heal your body, especially if you take a lot of medication. I myself don't care to take medication, so that's why I started doing holistic health. Please leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy these videos.